All right, baby. We roll them. I forgot to push last time I did a session, so okay. So, if I remember correctly, I don't remember correctly, and that's why I take notes. Also, I'm going to try to keep things off of that little quadrant, because I know that's where my... Let me just look exactly where my... Shit, I can't look exactly. Hold on. There we go. Just line this up exactly where... There you go. All right. That'll work. I just woke up. I'm doing no coffee today. I'm trying to like rest from like stimulants for a second. Okay. So there's... I can't do any of that right now. I did this, and then my homie's GPC key just does not work. Which is fine, because I don't really need it at this exact second. So, Gen Visuals, I think mostly works the way it's supposed to. Gen Narrator works, and then we have download stock. I think that works too completely. And then we have cut stock, which does not work. And I think it's only the look what I just did. It's only the part that loops the video back in on itself, because it doesn't like the way that I'm trying to do like the fade. It is tricky. FFmpeg is a little bit tricky. Look at him. What a handsome fellow right there. All right. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to change download stock so that all right. We'll have a new video every 5 seconds. And then cut stock will be inside of download stock. Okay. So I won't need to loop any videos, but I still will need to do the same fading, which is giving us problems. So it's not really going to help us. But I think this is just a better way. Okay. So I definitely need one more argument inside of download stock to call cut stock. Can I do that? Can I call that like right in the middle? It's going to tell me if I can do that or not. I think I should be able to, right? Okay, so with parsed results, that's where we're appending to. So for video in search results, I'm going to find the best video file, right? And it's going to append the link. And then download. So no, we're not using a for result for that. A for loop for that. That's a terrible use of a for loop. We're going to say... I'm so bad at Python for loops, actually. This is terrible, but I have to actually look this up. I think I actually built one the other day. Okay, yeah, here it is. For like n in range, there we go. That's how we do it. So say for I in range, and then I don't have to. All right. Now I have to do logic. Would I say new videos every 5 seconds? It's pretty reasonable. Jesus Christ. Alright, so I want something that like will probably take the total length. Okay, so we got length array equals bak bak, then here, let me just make this a function. I think I can use a while loop for this. I don't like the idea of a function. So while length is above 0, let's say while length is above 5, we will length array dot append 5, right? And then length equals minus equals 5. Okay? So then we're gonna get to a point where length array so I'm gonna print length array, and then we're gonna get to a point where it's less than 5 but more than 0. So while length array is greater than I'm gonna say if we do a 3-second video, right, that's going to be completely fine. So it's greater than 2. We're going to length array dot append length. But if it's smaller than 3, then we're going to have to if it's smaller than 2, see, I don't want to go off the assumption that there will be other entries. Here, we'll do this. Wow. Okay, sick. I think that should do it. I think I do actually want to use... cut stock. So it takes a file path and a length. Okay. File path, length, array, I. I don't love it because it doesn't really like account for if I happen to download a video that's smaller than our minimum length. But I also don't hate it because it's not super likely. I don't need it to be perfect, I just need it to work. Is there something I have to end a while statement with? I never use while statements. Statement Python. There's probably something I did wrong here. There's like some sort of break that I have to use, right? That's a cool trick. I didn't know we could do that. Sick. I'm sick of 33, so let's try 31. How's 31 looking? He's not formatted. Alright. 32. 32 doesn't look formatted either. And now that my formatting is not its own thing, that's kind of an issue. So I'm just going to remove these two objects. Make my life easier. Let's just go through the whole process. I think it's always good to kind of walk through it. Are you making coffee, babe? No? Oh, I thought I smelled coffee. I guess my nose is fucked up. I think she is making coffee. She just lied to me. Though my nose is fucked up. What should we do our prompt about this time? Prominent rappers of the night. Called it. I called it. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I love coffee. 90s New York. Let's do that. 10 best rappers. Yeah, only for I actually have really bad sense of smell. But I can smell chocolate really well. And this coffee is almost exactly like chocolate. It smells like chocolate. I don't know. They both come from like beans in like the same part of the world. Is this invalid selection? It's kind of scary. Alright, that looks Gucci. I do really need to actually fix a lot of that, but Gen Voice 4, 34, Poly. A hip, a hop, a hippity hop, a hip hip hop, and it don't stop. Did I swear that song, Rapper's Delight? What was it? Rapper's Delight by the Sugar Hill Gang? It's like that like Bill Cosby sketch of like him making fun of rap music. Oh my goodness. I think I did. Hey Siri, play Rapper's Delight by the Sugar Hill Gang. This shit's so funny. We're far enough in the video. I think I can get away with it for a second. Come on. It's so funny. Was that it? Oh yeah, here we go. When did this come out? This is 1980. It's really like a disco bass line. It's just literally a disco song.
I said the hip, how you don't stop. Rock it out, baby, rubber to the boogity bang bang, the boogie to the boogity beat. Now what you hear is not a test, I'm rapping to the beat. tries to move your feet. See, I am Wonder Mike, and I like to say hello.
Yeah, dude, the song is 7 minutes long. That's a 7-minute song, and that's the whole song, dude. It's him rapping in this like Bill Cosby like. A shibit, da dibit, da dibit, da do. A dibit, 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 da do. I got the mic and I'm gonna rap because I'm so rapping on the track. Yeah, it's like Bill Cosby making fun of rap. I think that was like the first actual rap song. That's what they told me at some point. Amazing. Okay. So I'm thinking what happened here. It made the narrator, and then it got to this length array n. It's kind of a strange thing to see. Okay, let's see. 92. I may be iterating through these things incorrectly. I may be just doing my for loops wrong. Some asshole on the internet was telling me I shouldn't look stuff up. So I'm not going to. I am instead going to do it a different way. Kate test.py. Array equals 1. Let's say 4, 5, 6, 7. For n in array print n print array print array n. Well, that's good. That means at least it's consistent. Okay, so n actually is talking about the thing. Okay, so if can I do this? Can I do n minus equals 1 print array? I see what's going on here. Okay. Well, fuck me. I don't actually see what's going on here. How to iterate through an array in Python. Dude, I know this is so sad. Well, you should know how to do this. Yes, but I want to like do the things in the array. For I row and enumerate array, for j entry enumerate if entry. Using this enumerate function. Let's try that. Then I would do array n. Okay, so now that should do decrease everything by 1. Ah! Oh, man. Dude, I don't even know what a tuple is. Fuck me. Come on now. Dang. That's what I get for using stuff I don't know. Alright, let's use this range length array. I think that's better. Alright, we did it, fam. We back in business. Let's get it! Let's get it! Golly, I love coffee. Hey, thank you for the coffee, baby. I love you. You said you have chocolate milk? Nice. Oh, I love chocolate milk. I saw you drink one. I was like, oh, you bought one for yourself, but not for me, huh? Once I wrap up over here, maybe I'll make some breakfast, or maybe I'll make some lunch later. Okay? I'll make something for us. At some point today, I'm gonna cook some food. Love you, baby. Being married is so good. It's such a time hack for me because I kind of have like a problem with women. I need to import from py functions dot. Hold on, let me make sure I'm saying this right. Bop bop bop. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-bop-bop-bop. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Oh my gosh. So a lot of errors in there. Cut stock file does not exist. Okay. Okay. So I should see video download successfully and save to location, but that's a lie. That's a lie. Because let's just go ahead and let's copy that. Oh, it's trying to double .mp4 it. It's trying to double .mp4. Oh no. Is it? It is. It is. Okay. I put this in to fix a problem before. Alright. I think running this again is not going to mess anything up, because anything it re-downloads, it's just going to replace. Bump, bump, bump. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-bump, bump, bump. Ba-shooby-doo, boop, 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 boop. Dude, I'm dying right now. Input file. Alright, I might have to change this completely. Alright, let's walk through this. Let's walk through it, baby. Okay. So, I got a little print command. It'll tell me if the file does not exist. I like that. It creates an output file. It's gonna erase that file path. I don't know if that's ever really necessary. I might be able to just remove that completely. Check current duration. Okay. Current duration equals blank. Okay. I don't really want it to loop at all right now because it just doesn't work. So I'm just going to have it print out a big nasty error. But we'll keep it later because at some point I will have to add it. Print. Let's do some new lines. Warning, video is too short, frowny face, frowny face, frowny face. Oh, I have to do escape characters, so fuck those frowny faces. And then more new characters, or new lines. I do that because the FFmpeg creates like so much output that it's like really hard to actually find like specific problems. Okay. So there should be no problems in there. But this is the thing that actually matters. So that should be file path, not input file. File path. Output. Yeah, output is quite literally useless. Got it. We create it and we only use it once. Already exists? Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't realize it would ask me. It's FFmpeg asking me if I want to overwrite. I think it is at least. Wow. Sick. Okay. Let me put these in an order that makes sense for my brain. So you have 0, and then 1 0, then 1 1, then 2, then 3 0, then 3 1, then 3 2, then 4, then 5. Okay, so everything looks like it should make sense. That's still our little homeboy. So this should be 5 seconds long. I should see this pause at about 5. Hold on. I don't think that that's what happened. I think I could just steal this ffprobe command though. That's 10 seconds. Okay. Let's do another one. See what's going on here. Maybe it's a problem with the overwriting. Dang, that girl's stressed out. She's stressed out. Look at that stock footage. Stock footage looks good. Okay. So let's look at our output right now. See what's going on, Z's. I hate this. I hate it when cannot edit existing files in place. Okay. I think maybe the best choice is to just not erase the old file and just have new files with C in front of them, right? Because I can differentiate between the two, and then it's also like non-destructive. Oh god, what was that? Yeah, I'll just C for cut version. And it should all be numbers, so C should never be a problem. Okay. I don't like doing a ton of these with Pexels because I don't like making like just shitloads of API calls. But I think we're still good, especially for the voice API, because that does eventually actually cost me money. But I think I'm like way within my limits right now. Okay, so it's not asking me about overwriting anything right now. So that's a good sign. That's not a good sign. I should be seeing like C30, C31. Yeah, that's not what I'm expecting to see right now. No such file or directory. 34.6.62.mp. 4. No such file or directory. Warning, video too short. Oh no. Sheesh. Okay, start at the beginning. I really would like to figure out a way to truncate all of this stupid FFmpeg output. This stuff is just so, like, it just takes up all of my bandwidth, like, mentally. See, that's so crazy to me. This, C dot. Come on now. Come on now. Um, output path file path minus, I think I can just do like minus whatever, MP4. Can I do that? Hold on. Truncating and concatenating strings in Python. Truncating a string. Come on now. Remove the last 4 characters in a string. In Python. In Python. Final character. That's sick. Okay. -4, put path equals output path plus c.mp4. Thirty-four, 1. Okay. Now, I thought I did see a warning video too short before, which is an issue. 61 should be too short, right? What I can do is I can add something. 31 is too short too, huh? 61 and 31. maybe I can. Does it have a length? Does it tell me the length when I do an output here? Parse results for video and search results. Print. Video for consideration. Video for your consideration, sir. Alright. And then I'm gonna basically say, like, only if the video is larger than a certain length. And in this case, that certain length will in fact be 5 seconds. As long as it provides me that information. If it doesn't, then it'll be a little bit more tricky. Little bit more tricky. I said I don't want to make a ton of API calls. First thing I do, make way more API calls. Width, height, duration. Let's look at some of these durations. Duration 25, duration 7, duration 7, duration 3. This is pretty easy. If best file come on now video files duration is larger than 4. Sick. Let's try that, baby. Let's get it. Okay, 103 in download stock. I have to pee. Should've known better not to treat a friend. Wasted chance that I've been given. Now it's easy to pretend the way I danced with you. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on here. Parse results never gets populated because I have a bad if statement. Alright, so what's going on here? If video files, okay, duration Alright, let's see what's going on with video files duration. So we have a video for considering. Let's see. Print video for considering. So that's our video, right? So everything inside of my video for considering. Okay. Sick. Video files duration does not exist. It is just video duration, which is a much better way to organize it. Thanks, Pexels. Oh, I just saw a error hit. I might have to make a new. I should not have seen an error. 61, that's the same one. $31, that's the same one. Well, let's see what's actually going on over at 61 to 31. I might have messed something up, you know. You know what they say about assumptions? They make an ass out of you and me. Assume, ass, you, me. Nice. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see, we don't have any problem with the video duration there. That's a long video right there. So what's the deal, huh? Play 61.mp4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's play our cut videos. 10C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. That's about right. FF play. Let's try 12C. 1, 2. Oh no. That was weird. Seems like I cut it too fast. I don't really like. I like FFmpeg. I just don't know how to use FFmpeg because I'm not smart. No, it's not because I'm not smart. It's because I am using a tool I do not yet completely understand. Okay, so 1, 2C isn't crazy because as long as that's between, as long as it's like more than 2 seconds, which I think it is. So nah, see, that's an issue. 31C, some sort of problem. Yeah, dude. Alright, so they're having some sort of problem cutting those. Alright, let's go back to that error. I think there's like a problem with the way that it's reading the length of the file. Potentially because of the FPS? Question mark? Okay, so let's just try to run this same command. I should be able to run this exact same command, and it's going to tell me that my desired length is my desired length getting messed up? Let's look at my video length array. I should have all numbers under 5. Of course it's, come on now. It's getting truncated. Or it's not. It's not, actually. No, it is. It is. Well, .mp4. So what this is telling me is it runs this command, and it saves that as current duration, and then if current duration is smaller than length, we have a problem. So that's telling me there's a problem with length. Excuse me. So let's just take a sanity check look at length real quick. So length array I, right? So for I in range, shows to be 0, 1, 2, for everything in length array. Kind of just want to like test just length array right now. See if anything dumb is happening with length array, which I bet I hope it is actually. Print f length array equals length array. That's the fun thing about being a programmer is like you actually hope certain stuff is going wrong. Because it's stuff that you can fix, stuff that you like already understand. The stuff that sucks is like when everything is supposed to be right, but it's still wrong. That's what fucks you up. Four 12 2. Nice. Okay. Obviously, we have a logic error there. Dude, this is a stupid little piece of logic. There's got to be a better way to do this. Okay. So, we're passing in a length. That would be a number of videos. While length is... Okay, so that's really interesting because I see starting download stock. I see an empty length array. And then I see it saying 4 12 2. So it goes right through this. It doesn't do it multiple times. Okay. So there's my first logic problem, is I just need to do that multiple times. Okay, that's gonna solve a lot of it. And then while length is larger than 2, I keep appending that. And then while length is larger than 2, append it. Well, length. Okay, so if it's 5, it just keeps making entries for 5. Okay. And if it's larger than 2, it's going to grab it and make the whole thing. But if it's smaller than 3, which it pretty much will always be, definitely don't need this break. What if I just do this? Oops, we had a video that was a little bit too long. Here, I can even make it better. I can even make it better. Okay, hold on. So like let's say the length is 9. So it's going to chop off 5 and then I'm going to be stuck with 4. And then it's going to append 4. I won't need it. Okay. So that's fine. What if the array is like 6? Okay. If it's 6 or whatever, we'll just add it to whatever one. Say if length is larger than 2, and then if it's not larger than 2, else length array -1 plus equals length. Sick. Okay. That logic is way better. Let's run it back, baby. Alright. I'm really interested in that length array. Video length array. Okay, that looks good. Four 12 2. 4 12 2. Is this from the old output? This has got to be from the old output, right? Tell me it's from the old output. Hell yeah, it is. Let's go. 5 5 5 5 3. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. All right, no more crazy length array problems. All right. I think I just go back and do a whole new I kind of want to make a function that just gives me a brand new object that's like a copy of an old object, but it doesn't have any files or whatever. I don't get people that do keto, man. Keto murders me. I have to have carbs. Like, people's bodies are different. You know, don't let anyone tell you like what you gotta do for your own body. Shit's just different, you know. Deodorant underarm deodorizer. Deodorant underarm deodorizer. Aluminium compounds have been suspected of being linked to breast cancer. Oh man, I'm gonna get the conspiracy theories in here, baby. Let's go. Educational. UDF. Bach. Nice. Select LM call. 35. Zuki. Zucchini. Zucchini, baby. Azuka, zuka, zuka, duka. This scares me seeing that invalid selection. I should probably go and fix that at some point. But not today, baby. Nice. It actually, like, gives me a version 1. Alright, let's see if our shit makes sense. We got 0. Nice. We got 10, 10C, 11, 11C. Nice. Kind of does look like it's supposed to look. Nice. What do you like? Nice. Okay, I think I can start writing the concatenate function. Okay, so we're gonna go cd py Kate. say join assets is I think what I wanted to call it. Oh geez, I've already made this. Not tested it at all. It absolutely does not work, and I changed everything before it, so it really, really doesn't work. But join assets. Nice. Join this ass and tits. Sorry, kids. Join assets. Does not equal F. Okay. I'm sorry, if it does equal F. If it does equal F. Otherwise, we have our object ID. No. No. I have to, still have to create the objects and look for them. I think my wife is like walking around. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's fun. Let's see. Update my git ignore file. Logs, API keys, final videos, video files. Do venv. Bemb. Bemba. Okay, this is the section. This is the beefy boy section that I really got to pull apart and change. This is the beast that I have to tango with. Alright. Alright, baby, we back. Got a banana. I put some eggs on to boil. Get some protein pretty soon here. And I got a little chalky milk. My gym bros know about that chocolate milk, dude. Chocolate milk is the beverage of champions, my friends. The beverage of champions. Yeah, and any guy that knows about lifting weights, knows about getting in the gym, getting busy, you know that chalky milk is where it is located at, my brethren. All right. Oh, goddamn. Okay. So my audio directory is definitely just that. And then holy shit, I love fucking chocolate milk, dude. Okay, and then it has a video version. Golly. That's going to give me the power to get through this. Okay, so I don't know about this weird sorted thing. I think this is what needs to happen. So it's gonna, first thing it's gonna do, it's gonna iterate through audio land. Then it's gonna, within that, it's gonna iterate, it's gonna look for the correct video files to put together. Then if it will concat those videos if necessary, then it will join video and audio. Then finally it will join all the segments. Okay. I hate all of this. I don't want to use any of this. Damn it. Okay. Say like if video dir slash or say like current, we're going to say segment ID equals everything before the last slash in audio files. Okay. Slash minus dot mp3 video dir segment id dot mp4 exists, then just strip video audio and layer it over, and then we're done. Here's that fucking guy that's gonna tell me that I'm not allowed to use regex expressions. Fuck you, man. Come on. I feel like a regex expression is absolutely the best way to deal with this problem. Hold on. Oh, actually, I have a better thing. We can do so 1 would be MP3, 2 would be Blingading, 3 would be, I'm sorry, Jesus Christ. 1 would be 3, 2 would be P, that's M, that's dot, that's our number, and that's that. Does not equal slash segment ID. I need to declare segment ID beforehand. Segment ID equals, it's a string, let's make it empty, equals audio file minus 5. This will work great as long as we have less than 101 audio files. in which case it will break. Else I'm sorry. If it we want that to equal slash, and then it puts it there. But if it doesn't, then we get to include both of them. Both of them. Okay, I gotta learn how to slice strings again. I knew this at one point. Okay. String slicing. Slice those strings. You know what? We're just gonna do this the easy way. We're just gonna test it out. Okay. Yabba dabba doo. And then we got really doesn't matter, right? Then we got 0.mp3. And then we should be able to print segment ID. Then I want to run that whole thing back, but I want to give it 11. Okay. Let's see how we do with that. Unexpected indent. Oh no. Line 4. Okay, so we learned today we do not understand slicing. Yabba dabba doo. Oh, okay. Now we're getting somewhere, baby. Now we're cooking with fire, baby. Oh. Oh, we done it now. We've done it now. Yabba dabba doo. Oh man. I might still be one off. Yabba dabba doo. Oh wait, hold on. That shouldn't matter for that. Okay. Oh, let's get this first one working, right? It's 5 through minus 6. Actually, let's just make this way more simple. Print audio file equals minus 6 through minus 5. Let's try that. Okay. 4, 6. Okay. Okay. And then it's going to be 6 through 4 that's going to hit our large one. Minus 6 through minus 4 is going to hit our large one. And then minus 5 through minus 4, right? Is going to hit our small one. Sick. Okay. We in here, baby. Okay. Then how do I check if something exists? Oh, my best friend just texted me. Hold on. All right, we back, baby. All right. Okay. Did I already use file path? No. Okay. I need to actually like look at one of these. Video directories. Okay, so it's gonna hit 1. It's gonna hit 0, and it's gonna trigger that first one, and then it's gonna hit 1, and it's gonna say no, it doesn't exist. So it's gonna start looking for 10, 10C, 11, 11C, 12, 12C, 13, 13C, 14, 14C. So there's no 2 number ones that aren't cut. Right. Alright, the next thing it needs to do is it needs to make a array of all of the segment videos. Hold on, my buddy's texting me. Okay. Say I equals 0. I just want something to break. I just want say while I equals 0. While I equals 0. Right on. So that will always be true. n equals 0. That's such a stupid way to do things. I'm like such a newbie programmer for wanting to do things that way. C segment ID and then n. Then NP4. Segment videos dot append file path. So that's gonna have all my files in that segment, else break. Nice. I wonder if it'll let me do this. This is so dumb. While n equals n. Definitely a freaking infinite loop, as long as I understand how to break. Okay, so I got my segment videos. A list of segment videos. Now I actually have to concatenate all of those videos. Concat all these videos. And then see, this is where my knowledge of FFmpeg is kind of faltering. Because I'm like, is it better to... I'm going to see how I did it in my last one. I want to do this in the least number of FFmpeg operations. But I did it in such a bad way in the last one. And I also used I used a different language in a completely different library. Yeah, I might as well do this its own way. So we want to strip the video audio for sure. And then strip audio for sure. And then after that we can layer audio. And then that will mean I will have my segments. And then concat segments. I have like a little like delay that I built in. Let's just make every one. Let's make it 1 second longer than it needs to be. Let's make it all 1 second longer. Remove the original audio from the video. And then I can call it
remove audio, file path, and then I can call I gotta give all my segments names. I think I'm actually not managing my video version correctly. So I have them select a video version, and I really want like a final video version. I think it's fine. No, we will go to final video version later. We'll remove the audio, and then we'll say okay, no, file path. We'll do video directory, segment ID. We'll say segment ID, because it should be done at that point. No. That's like a... Let's call this silent 0. Silent whatever. Okay. And then we go here. And then I think we strip all the audio and we concat. For video in segment video, remove audio, video, and then we're gonna say what if we do this? What if I just put it in there? I think I have to do more slicing. Slice it up. More slicing. Hell yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. So I can do remove audio, file path, and then my output path is gonna be output. It's where I have output path defined. Put Okay, I really need to change output path. Not really here. Okay, so I can say silent video. Thank you, baby. Eggs. Mm. Oh, now I need to concat the videos. Hold on. Oh. Pause the stream again. This is terrible. I'm gonna get there, but this is rough. Okay, apparently my cousin and his wife are coming here, so I gotta shut things down. Need to fix concat videos. Shit doesn't work right. Pathing is wrong. Okay, shut her down. Shut her down. Change that. Gen visuals, yes. Shut her down, boss. Shit her down. Shitter's down. Shitter's full. It's from Christmas Vacation. Shitter's full. He's filling up the. He's like unloading his RV's septic tank into the local like storm drain, and then later the grandpa is smoking a cigarette and throws the cigarette in the storm drain, and it's like a 10-foot 30-foot fireball in the air. Christmas Vacation, y'all should see that movie if you haven't already. Ah, good. I'm glad my cousin's coming over. Haven't seen him in a minute. Oh my gosh. Git add bop. Git commit continuing work on visual. Or actually today we finished finished gen visuals, working on join assets, and we going to go git push origin master. Money. That's money, son. That's money, sonny. Peace.